One of the classics in the Proxxon range, and still as popular as ever, our KS230 circular saw. Astounding performance for its size. High precision cuts as straight as a die can be achieved with this saw, even up to a depth of 8 mm in soft wood. The mechanism employed in the KS230 is an accurate but simultaneously robust design, which ensures that you will enjoy its use for precision work for a very long time. One example is the saw table. Manufactured through aluminium die casting, it is then subjected to additional surface milling. This ensures that irregularities have no chance to impair the first-class sawing results attained. The flawless surface finish achieved really makes this product stand out from the crowd. And finally, the intrinsic values of our KS230 are, naturally enough, impressive in every respect. The extremely durable motor is so quiet that its powerful 85 watts are barely audible. It utilizes a precision-toothed belt to power the saw blade at a speed of 5,000 RPM, perfectly suited to the work in hand. Vibration really hasn't a chance here. And no savings have been made when it comes to accessories. 2 stops included in the delivery ensure that straight or angled cuts can be achieved without difficulties. An adjustable longitudinal stop on the leading edge of the table enables continuous adjustment of the workpiece width. Small series of parts of the same width, for example, can be produced without difficulty as a result. And the angle stop acts as a further aid where exact angles need to be cut. Simply set the desired value on the angle scale, tighten the clamping screw, insert the angle stop into the groove on the saw table, and start sawing. And to ensure that your workplace remains clean, a vacuum cleaner can be attached to the suction connection on the KS230. Its use is strongly recommended, not only because sawdust is prevented from spreading around the immediate area, but because the housing interior is also kept clean at all times. This ensures the smooth functioning of the saw and protects the mechanism against wear. An ideal partner for this purpose is our CW-matic compact workshop vacuum cleaner. Its automatic on-off function enables its remote control using the working unit. An extremely user-friendly option when it comes to keeping the workplace and the KS230 clean. But what would a circular saw be without suitable accessories? As usual with Proxxon, we provide appropriate extras for every material. The KS230 is pre-fitted with the supercut saw blade with a 58 mm diameter. This is an ideal tool for the most frequent sawing tasks and impresses with its extraordinary cutting performance. However, it is recommended that a saw blade made of high alloy special steel be used when cutting non-ferrous materials, including PCBs. The masterly combination of alloy ingredients even makes the saw blade eminently suitable for machining PCBs. The same qualities distinguish carbide saw blades, available with 2 different tooth configurations, which are also extremely effective for machining soft non-ferrous metals or other generally problematic materials such as duroplastics. These are also ideally suitable for cutting common materials such as wood. Naturally enough, we also have a solution for particularly extreme cases. Our diamond-coated saw blade will gladden the heart of all those who, up until now, have not yet found a suitable tool for machining stone, glass or ceramic bonded and epoxy resin materials. This all makes the KS230 a highly flexible tool for the most varied of applications. Proxxon. Tools with character.